Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Hello there. In this video, I will explain how to update your Honda Pilot navigation system, ensuring you always have the most current maps. To begin, you'll want to check your current navigation software version directly on your Pilot's infotainment screen. Then, grab a USB drive. It should have at least 8 gigabytes of space and be formatted to FAT32. This preparation is key for a smooth update process. Next, head to your computer and download the official Honda or Garmin Express Update software. Once installed, take your prepared USB drive to your Pilot. Insert it into a USB port and follow the on-screen prompts to transfer your vehicle's current navigation data to the drive. Then, back on your computer, use the software to download the newest map updates directly onto that same USB drive. Now, it's time to install the updates in your Pilot. Take the USB drive back to your vehicle and insert it into the appropriate USB port. It's very important to keep your engine running during this entire process to prevent any interruptions. Your infotainment system will recognize the drive and guide you with clear on-screen instructions to start installing the new map data. The installation can take some time, potentially up to 1 hour, so please be patient and do not turn off your vehicle. Once the system confirms the update is successful, you can safely remove the USB drive. Then, restart your Pilot's infotainment system to finalize everything. Finally, navigate back to your settings to confirm the new map version is installed and ready to guide your journeys.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.